So before Christmas we were commissioned to decorate a lounge and dining room for a customer, and it's the new year now, so we're back to decorate we finished this room behind me before Christmas, and now we're here to decorate the lounge area. Customer dropped a bomb on us when we arrived on Tuesday morning. We were starting the preparation work for painting the walls, and she said, "Oh, by the way, I'm having a fireplace installed, a wood burner, on the wall that we're meant to be doing as a feature wall." You can see we started prepping, filling all the old holes and stuff. And she's got a fitter, she's got an installer to do the install, who has a friend that will create the opening. I said, "Well, I've done that before, I can do it." And she said, "Well, go ahead." And that's what we're going to do. So my wife and I work together, which has its fair amount of challenges, but hey, we're a good team and we enjoy what we do. So there's the fireplace behind me that's about to be ripped out to expose what's necessary in order to create the opening. Every fireplace, as you know, poses a different challenge. Until you start and remove the old, you won't know what to do with in preparation for installing the new, or creating the opening at least. So here we go. TV. Yeah. I think this was the original cover, and then they overlaid it with tiles. I think we'll take this outside and break it up. Yeah. A massive lintel up there, yeah, compared to the little one they've put in down here. Not much bearing there either. Should be at least 6 inches. But that's a big old beam up there.